of there and you say your name, they should have your name on the file there if what you mailed got there.
Oh, I see.
And the address that you gave me, that's the address that you put on the form, right? Okay, good. So everything should work out. If it doesn't work out, call back here. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Can you describe the problem to me again so that I can record it?
Those are floating around a bunch of places.
Did you get through the whole ballot and you entered all of your votes?
It's a matter of getting time off the meeting.
Do you know the name or the type of the machine?
I totally understand. I'm just trying to give us the questions we're supposed to,
Great. Thank you for remembering that. That's great. And did you say anything to the poll workers?
It doesn't work like that. In other words, every then you need to go.
Oh my gosh.
But that I know is true. Let me now go and see if I can do this. Oh my gosh.
Two of the other machines, so now 3 of the 5 were off?
No, I do understand. I do know
So-
that you definitely are in line.
Let's get this all out. So, okay, at the time the 3 machines were off, did they take the other 2 machines out of service as well and have...
I guess
Okay, just one moment.
I can ask you to look it out just when I do and find out, because it does say that provisional ballots and
Was there anyone there who requested a regular paper ballot in place of a provisional ballot? Do you know if anyone suggested that or was able to get a regular ballot, or did they only seem to have provisional ballots on hand?
Yes, I can do that.
Okay. Okay, well, thank you so much.